Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's your boy Keith 85, aka Stoic and Resilient, baby. Yes, ma'am, yes, sir. Nevertheless, I'm over here in St. Petersburg, Florida, in the Walton Fuller area, but I am at the Northwest Water Reclamation Plant in St. Petersburg, Florida. I've always seen these things growing up, but I've never actually seen what they actually look like from the sky. But now I have a drone. Now I have the opportunity to see things I've never seen before. But this is where our reclaimed water goes. And as you know, all over the east coast of Florida, we have had a drought. So I don't know what these things look like when they all full up, but I reckon it looked like that because of the drought. So that's probably why, even in the Tampa area where I live at, we have certain days where you can water and stuff like that because we're still in the drought. So I would assume that St. Pete is having the same problem. So, but nevertheless, I have an actual video of this coming up after this. Well, not this video, but I'm editing that one different. So that's going to be a whole separate video. So I figure I will put the photos out first to give y'all a little tease. So unfortunately, the video part comes out after this video. So you're going to have to wait for that one. But at least y'all get to see these awesome photos from the Altel Evo Light Plus drone, baby. Yes, my main drone. I love that freaking drone. But yeah, so hit the like button, please. And remember to like and share. And hit that sub too. So and comment. I definitely like to, talk to y'all and stuff like that because it lets me know that y'all actually watching and like some of my content. I appreciate that. So, but nevertheless, welcome to my page again and let me know what you think about this video. More to come. See y'all soon.